Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial, and in this tutorial we are going to learn how to Uber a friend. And this is basically when you want to travel with your friend. So let's start the video. So we need to launch the Uber app, which is located here, and let it load. So now after getting it load, you can see the basic user interface in front of your mobile. Now what you need to do is just click on where to option. Now here you can see what are the places available, and you can set your destination where you want to go. You can also set destination where your friend will enter the car. So what you need to do for that is here you can see pick up now one way for me. Now just click on the one way option. Now it will ask you choose a trip type which stops add up to 5 stops. So what it is basically showing that you can stop at various several places to pick up someone or to meet someone. So just click on the add up to 5 stops, click on done. After that it will ask you where do you want to go. So suppose I want to add a stop at Ayan's home, so I'm going to add a stop at Ayan's home. So next step, the second stop I want to add is I want to add at Banjara Market Sector 70A, Gurgaon. Now it will ask for another, just click on Hamdard Nagar, then NSIC, then the last will be, let's say, here somewhere. Okay, so I've done. For stops longer than 3 minutes, you will be charged for wait time. Okay, now we can visit these several places. Now just click on done, and now it will show the available car prices and Uber Auto prices. Now here you can see there is basic hike because it is asking, because you are asking for several stops and it's all around the city. So here's how you can invite your friends with this. A friend can ride with you with these feature, and you can add stops where there are homes of them. So this was it for this video. Confirm the selection of your Uber ride and then ride with them. This was it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Till then, like and subscribe the channel.